Are you having problems with not being able to log in into your Disney Plus app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I have had a lot of problems with this before, and I think I was actually able to fix it because now for like a week or two I haven't had any login issues whatsoever. So basically what I did was that I just closed my Disney Plus app and instead I went into the App Store because I have an iPhone. But if you do have a if you have an Android phone, just go into the Google Play Store instead, of course. So in here, if you have an iPhone, you're going to go into your App Store once again, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. In here, we're just going to search for Disney Plus. So just search for Disney Plus and then scroll down, and as you can see, here's the Disney Plus app. So I have this blue button in here where it says open, right? But if it says for you something like update as an example, then it's very important that you click on that update button, because it means that there is actually a new update on your Disney Plus app that you need to be able to get. So click on update, wait for it to completely update to the latest version, then go back into your Disney Plus app and try again. If it still is not working, it's probably because either your email or your password that you have written is incorrect and you need to be able to reset it, which you will be able to see on the app itself where it says like reset password or forgot password or something like that. So click on it, follow the steps after that, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.